Nestled in the heart of England's Peak District National Park lies an iconic landmark, Ladybower Reservoir. Built between 1935 and 1943, Ladybower Reservoir was created to supply drinking water to the East Midlands and South Yorkshire. Construction continued throughout the Second World War. And it was officially opened by King George VI in 1945. And can hold over 27 billion litres of water. Beneath these peaceful waters lies a fascinating secret. To make way for the reservoir, the villages of Derwent and Ashopton were flooded, forcing hundreds of residents to relocate. During very dry periods, remnants of these lost villages can still be seen beneath the water. The Ladybower Dam is an earth embankment dam, designed with a clay core to safely contain the reservoir. One of its most striking features is its two bellmouth spillways, known locally as the plug holes. Each is 24 meters wide and is used to control water levels during periods of heavy rainfall. Today, Ladybower Reservoir is much more than just a water supply. It's a popular destination for walking, cycling, photography, and discovering the rich history hidden beneath its waters. Whether you're drawn by the stunning landscapes, the engineering marvel of the dam, or the mystery of the drowned villages, Ladybower remains one of the Peak District's most unforgettable locations.